Alright guys, welcome back to another awesome video. Today we will be reviewing the RadioShak 12-262. This radio I got actually came in like 2 days ago, and the video that I uploaded unboxing this, it kind of had a couple issues. So I'm just gonna try to remake that but without the unboxing. So first up, let's go ahead and start with the button beeps and siren tests. So, as you see, we got the button layout. It says weather snooze, up, down, left, right arrows, menu and select in both buttons. We got the clock button, which is very weird. Anyways, button beeps. Let's get this one. So button beeps. Yeah, button beeps are pretty nice. Like, they're not that bad. I mean, we got some changes. I mean, the buttons, they actually feel like the button texture. The texture of the buttons feel like the Midland WR120. So, yeah. And let's go ahead and do our little siren test. Yeah, this siren test, you can change the volume of the siren test. So, yeah, that's pretty nice. Nice. Let's take a look at around the radio. So, you see we got the flip up and down display. We got the back. It says on-off alert, on-off alarm. That is the weather out. That's the AC adapter, and that's the external antenna. So we got all that. Got the antenna, which is quite long, but it doesn't really fit in its little hole. I mean, oh, actually it does. It fits in its hole, actually. The antenna, if you pull it up, let's compare it to my 32-inch monitor. See, it goes all the way from here, all the way to the top of the 32-inch monitor. So, that's what it is. And we got the flip-up display. So, backlight, it's pretty cool. So, yeah. Let's talk about the channels. So, the stations you can get are, well, I mean, you can get all 7 stations if you feel like. The weather button is the most bottom button on the radio. It's this thing right here. It says weather snooze. So if I press that,
the dew point was 68, giving the relative humidity of 42%.
Our weather.
The wind was north at 12 miles an hour. 9.98 inches and...
So yeah, that's what that does. And if we go, let's go ahead and check out the reception on this radio. So, our reception, if we go ahead and bring the radio out to the window. This radio is quite big. If you look at my hand, it's about that large against it. So if I go here,
89 at Raleigh. At Mount Olive. It was mostly sunny.
I'm able to get
Snows in the mid-60s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Monday,
I don't know if that's saying. Yeah, that's probably KC 95. But
and now taking a look at the forecast.
the reception is pretty good.
Issued at 1:05 p.m.
I will say so myself. It's not that bad, but the 120 is better. But yeah, if we turn off our weather on and off here, I'm just gonna do it for convenience.
Lowers.
What the? On switch. There you go.
Highs in.
Wait, what? Yeah, let's flip this thing over. Let's see what it does when it's off. That's what I'm here for. This is the alarm. This is the alert. Off. Oh, so that's the alert. So we turn off the alert. It will go on speaker silent, but if we go back on, it'll go off. So I'm testing. If I do this, it still goes off. Well, that's normal, I say. But yeah, the warning, watch, and advisory lights are pretty usual. We got our ready light. Just watch, warning, and advisory. So let's press the clock button. Let's see what this is. If you hold down your clock, you can change the time, which let's actually change it to our designated time zone here. 2:52. So I'm gonna go 2. Oh, I broke it. 2. .53. So we're on 2:53 p.m. What the heck? That's a bit weird. Let's try changing it on. Let's go back to. I'm sorry that I'm having a bit of issues with this thing. I never owned a RadioShak before. .253 still, yeah. Let's see what. It's 2:53. Alright, now it's 2:53.
It's partly so.
So, yeah. There's a radio. Let's take a look at the back now. So, flip him over. Let's go ahead and go back to our desk where the main thing is happening. So, I'll flip him over where it reveals this thing. I don't know what that is. Reveals all this. Reveals the DC thing. It reveals the mounting. And the batteries it takes
Per hour.
are 6 AA's.
20%.
Can't believe
Tonight,
me. Look at all
partly
this.
cloudy and
6
then
AA's.
clearing. Lows around 70.
But
East winds around 5 miles per hour. Sunday.
yeah, I run 6 AA's. The radio died again, but see, it's all good.
Lows in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
But yeah, this radio is an awesome radio. I recommend getting this thing. And another thing, during EAS alerts, this thing goes off before the EAR-10, which is right there. It goes off way before the EAR-10. And
Highs in the.
yeah, let's go ahead. Let me check and see if my stuff is still set. Alert type. Alert mode. Voice. There we go. Alright, so we got all that set. Now let's go ahead and put her back at her spot here. Which is kind of weird with the cords. I do not like playing around with cords. I'm sorry. Put this down. Alright, there you go. Yeah, that's the
Giving the relative humidity of
RadioShak
42%.
12-262. Here's the box. Here's the box. I should have showed you this. Here's the box. It says Digital same technology for localized warning. Easy programming, all that stuff. 12-262. Yes. And it's got all the information. You can read that on the back. Pause it. Works with Environment Canada and the National Weather Service in the United States. So,
Temperature of
yeah, that is the
5 in
RadioShak
Greensboro, 95 in Florence,
12-262.
and 91 in Goldsboro.
I hope
Under
you
mostly
like
sunny
this video.
skies,
Make sure to
Myrtle Beach
like,
recorded
subscribe,
90,
ring that
Wilmington recorded
notification bell,
91, and
and
Cape
get
Hatteras
by.
reported